Now comes what is double counting. Now see. Now let us take an example of a car. For example, a car made of steel. So there is this factory where the steel reaches, right? एक फैक्ट्री है, यहाँ पे एक फैक्ट्री है जो स्टील बेचती है, तो उसने 5000 रुपीज की स्टील बेची, 5000 रुपीज की स्टील बेची, क्या चलो महंगी कर देते हैं, 5 लाख की बेची, क्योंकि 1 लाख की बेचते हैं स्टील, क्योंकि कार्स आर एक्सपेंसिव, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ कार. So factory has sold 5 lakh rupees, 5 lakh worth of steel to the car manufacturer. Now when we come to the car manufacturer, now कार की टोटल प्राइस कितनी आ रही है? Now कार की टोटल प्राइस आ रही है, for example 15 lakh. Now car is an expensive one, good car. Okay, ठीक है, Scorpio. Okay, for example. So this is a good car, 15 lakh. Now tell me, अगर हमें नेशनल इनकम निकालनी है, इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द नेशनल इनकम, व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट? इस एग्जांपल में कितना अमाउंट विल बी शोन अंडर द नेशनल इनकम? 5 लाख will not come because it is still an intermediate good, because it is still getting, अगर ये स्टील, if this steel मैं डायरेक्टली परचेज कर रहा हूं एंड मैं अपने घर पे यूज कर रहा हूं, then it will be a final good, it will be included in the national income. But this steel is getting used by a factory, this steel is used in a further production. Yes, this steel is getting used for the further production. Now car manufacturer is using that steel as well, so that 5 lakh is already included in this car. This car is made of that 5 lakh steel only and other equipments. So why will you count the steel amount here also and here also? So 5 lakh cannot be the answer because this is an intermediate good. So that does not include it. That is not included in the national income. Second, 20 lakh. Why not? Because 20 lakh means you are counting this 5 lakh worth of steel 2 times. But we have to count that 1 time. Otherwise, this process will be known as double counting, which is not right at all. It will bloat your GDP, which means आपकी national income बहुत ज़्यादा दिखाई जाएगी, क्योंकि आपने 2 बार काउंट कर लिया बहुत चीजों को, which is not right at all. So that's why to avoid double counting, we use this method, and I know आपको समझ आ गया है.